In this video, I am going to create a Telegram bot that can take any YouTube video link and return the latest comment. Not only will it return the comments, it will perform a sentiment analysis on each one of them using OpenAI's API. So for every one of them, it will tell us whether it is a positive, negative, or neutral comment based on the parameters and prompt we give it. I will also show you how to return only a picture to represent the vibe of the comment section. Here is a MrBeast video with a smiley face, which represents a positive sentiment of his comments. Let me show you how to create the bot. I have a 5-minute video if you want a comprehensive walkthrough on how to create it. You just need to search for bot father, tap on it, then send the command /new bot. It will ask you to send the name of the bot and the username. The username has to end with the word bot, B-O-T. Go ahead and copy your bot token. All that is left now is to program the bot. You can make additional customization by adding the profile pictures like YouTube logo and adding a description. You can do that by sending these commands. In the last video, we wrote this Python script that can take any YouTube video link and tell you what the comment section's vibe is. Here is a demo of the code working. Let's grab a link from YouTube and test it out. Here is the sentiment analysis of the latest 20 comments. After creating our Telegram bot, we will just need to share the link from the YouTube app to the bot and it will give us the same output. Here is the code we wrote for the Telegram bot I referenced earlier. We used the Telegram library and imported some classes from it. To use this library, go ahead and install the Telegram package by running this in the terminal. We also need this portion of the code, but we will need to make some adjustments later on. Let's set up our bot token the same way we did for our YouTube and OpenAI API keys. If you remember the bot token that was given to us when we created the bot, we will need that in our configuration file. Let's copy and paste the library to our sentiment analysis code. Let me configure the bot token in the code using the config parser library. We also need to use this part of the code. In our code, we prompted the user to provide the link to the video with this impute function. If you have used a Telegram bot before, you know that you will have to tap on the start button to start using it. We are going to write a simple code to take care of that press of the button. For our Telegram bot, we are going to welcome the user with a message and ask them to provide the link with this line of code. So now when the user taps on the start button or sends the command /start, they will be asked to provide the link. If you watched the previous video, you already know this part of the code extracts the video ID from the link and feeds it into the YouTube Data API endpoint along with your API key. You can get your API key for free from console.cloud.google.com. The API endpoint then retrieves the comments from the video. After then, the OpenAPI does the classification. I will place this part of the code under a function called analyze. Let's assign the link provided by the user to the YouTube_link variable by using the text method. Next, we need to replace all the print functions since it can only be used to display our output in the terminal. Let's go through all the print functions and edit them. We don't need to add this to the output message variable. We can use the same reply_text method in the start function to tell the user they provided an invalid link. To display the result in Telegram, we will create an empty string variable called output message and assign all the contents of the print function to it. Let's send the content of output message to the user using the reply text method. Looks like we have some errors with the message and command handler. Let me fix that real quick. Let's run the code again. Let's share any link to our Telegram bot. Click on Start, then share the link. Here are 20 comments with their classification. You can also see the total number of positive, negative, and neutral comments, and the vibe of the video based on the ratio of the positive to negative comments. If, for example, you are a YouTuber and you don't actually want to read your comments, you can get the vibe of your comment section with just pictures. To achieve that, you need to edit the output message variable with the sendPhoto method. Let's run the code to test this new feature. We can share this MrBeast video with our Telegram bot and it will return a picture that represents the vibe of the video. Perfect. Now let's try a video that we know has a negative vibe. There you have it. This is how I created the bot. You can try modifying some features to suit your need. In the next video, we are going to host the bot on a cloud platform so we can access it anytime we want without having to run it in Visual Studio Code every time we want to use it. If you have any question, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.